Welcome to Favorites Management Mastery. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build and manage your personal product watch list using ScalePilot's powerful favorite system. We'll cover saving ASINs from any tool, organizing your saved products, adding personal notes, and exporting your research for offline analysis. This is your command center for tracking promising opportunities. Adding products to your favorites is simple and works across all ScalePilot tools. Look for the heart icon whenever you're analyzing products. In the Niche Navigator, click the heart icon on any product card to instantly save it. The icon will turn solid red to confirm it's been added. In the ASIN Analyzer, you'll find the heart icon in the product details. In gems and trending opportunities, each product has its own star icon for quick saving. Every time you add a favorite, ScalePilot automatically captures comprehensive data including current price, click share, profit margins, ratings, search volume, and AI analysis. This creates a complete snapshot of the opportunity at the time you save it. To access your saved products, click Favorites in the sidebar menu. This opens your personal product dashboard with powerful organization features. The header section shows your total saved products count and provides action buttons for bulk operations. The filtering system is incredibly powerful. You have a search bar where you can find products by name, ASIN, or brand, a category filter that filters by Amazon categories like home and kitchen or sports and outdoors, and also a sorting option that you can organize by date added, product name, click share, profit margin, and price. It is displayed as a detailed card containing essential metrics: current price, click share percentage, average rating, estimated profit margin, and launch risk level, all color coded for quick assessment. If you've used AI enrichment, you'll see a condensed version of the market analysis. Your custom research notes and action items are displayed prominently. Action buttons. Edit notes, reanalyze, and you can also remove. The Edit Notes feature is particularly powerful. Use it to track your research progress, note potential suppliers, record pricing strategies, or mark action items for follow-up. ScalePilot makes it easy to export your research for offline analysis or sharing with team members. Click the Export CSV button in the top right corner. The exported file contains comprehensive data for every saved product. It has basic information like ASIN, product name, brand, category, and other categories like pricing data, performance metrics, intelligence scores, AI insights, and your personal data. The file is automatically named with the current date, making it easy to track different research sessions. This is perfect for creating reports, sharing with business partners, or maintaining historical records of your product research. To maximize your favorite system effectiveness, follow these best practices. In your notes, develop a consistent tagging systems like hashtag high priority, hashtag sourcing needed, or hashtag seasonal for easy filtering later. Set up weekly reviews of your favorites. Use the date added sort to prioritize recent discoveries and profit margin sort to focus on the most lucrative opportunities. Use a category filter to focus your research sessions. For example, filter by home and kitchen when researching seasonal home products. Export your favorites monthly to maintain offline backups and track how your research evolves over time. Market conditions change rapidly. Use the Reanalyze button to get updated data on your saved products, especially before making final sourcing decisions. Remember, your favorites list is more than just a wish list. It's a strategic product pipeline. Use it to track opportunities from initial discovery through to final sourcing decisions. With proper organization and regular maintenance, it becomes your most valuable research asset.